We're going to show you how to resolve the E0 error on your HP DeskJet 4300 or HP DeskJet 2900 printer series. We will use the HP DeskJet 4322 printer as a demo. From the control panel, you can see that the right cartridge is having the E0 error. So let's open the cartridge access door. And we will remove the right cartridge and put it back again. Remove the print cartridge and put it back again. Make sure that you insert it fully and with a click sound. Then close the ink access door. You can see that the E0 error is no longer blinking. So this is how you resolve the E0 error on your HP DeskJet 4300 or HP DeskJet 2900 printer series.